Hi! Gusto mo rin bang itry ang healthy and yummy food?
Wow!
So, what are you waiting for? So, itry na rin gawin yung aking yummy, healthy shrimp spring rolls. So, ayun, nag-start lang tayong i-boil yung ating mga shrimp. So, 2 minutes lang siya guys. Huwag matagal kasi kung matagal is ma-overcook naman yung ating shrimp. At ayan, nag-cut din tayo ng mga vegetables guys. So, it's up to you kung ano yung mga gulay na gusto nyo. At pwede rin pala kayo mag-add dito ng rice vermicelli noodles. At ayan, in-cut lang natin yung shrimp into half. Ayan, at ito na pala yung ating rice paper sheets. So, in-soak lang natin in lukewarm water for a few seconds. Huwag masyadong matagal guys, kasi pag matagal is masisira din yung ating paper sheets. And then, ayan, i-add na rin natin yung mga favorito nating gulay. O, diba? So, nasa inyo guys kung ano yung mga gulay ilagay nyo. At ayan, start na natin roll yung ating spring rolls. And then, i-add na rin yung ating shrimp. So, 3 lang po ang ating nilagay dyan, guys. So, 3 lang ang magkakasya. And then, continue nating i-roll. At ayan, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-pretty. So, napakasarap ng ating shrimp spring rolls.
Wow!
At syempre, hindi yan masarap guys pag wala tayong dipping sauce. At ayan yung ating homemade dipping sauce. So, nag-add lang tayo ng water, peanut butter, vinegar, maple syrup, at yung ating soy sauce. So, yan lang. Napaka-easy lang guys gawin. And then, i-mix lang natin hanggang mag-combine lahat. At ready na. So, ayan guys, napakasarap. At kakain na naman tayo guys, di ba? So, gawaan na rin kayo nito guys. Napaka-healthy at full meal na siya. Mabubusog na kayo. So, ako kasi guys, yan lang ang aking kinain. At syempre, in-cut ko lang yan sa gitna ng into half. So, tingnan nyo naman guys. Napaka-fresh lahat kasi fresh gulay ang ating gamit. O, ayan na guys. The best part is kakain na naman tayo. So, napakasarap talaga guys. Napaka-crunchy at napaka-sarap ng ating shrimp spring rolls. O, diba? Mas maraming sauce, mas yummy. So, yan lang po guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye guys. Try nyo na rin. Promise, masarap siya.